Hello, everybody. This is Hadley here doing a voiceover because I was going to do a kind of chit chat makeup video like I've done before. I don't know if you can hear the wind outside, but that hurricane just came through. And so it was raining all this morning and it's pretty windy out there and some branches are falling, but I have no idea if you can hear that actually. But I was gonna be talking while I filmed this video, and then my dad walked in, and I am an insecure filmer or whatever, so I don't like anybody hearing me talk to the camera. So I just decided to try a voiceover, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm hoping it works out. And I guess I'll just talk about some updates and have a little chit chat this way. It's kind of weird though. I feel like I'm a radio host. I don't know if I'd be good at that. Anyway, so this video, I was trying to do a makeup look that is inspired by a picture that I saw on Pinterest. And then it kind of made me think it looked like it's straight up like a Fire Nation type of deal. I'm rewatching Avatar right now. And so that's what I thought as soon as I finished the look. And so I thought I'd just title this video that. And that's that. It wasn't originally supposed to be that. And then I was like, you know what? If Zuko did some makeup and he didn't have his scar, poor thing, then this might be something he would do. So that's what this is. And other than that, I really just wanted to talk about, I don't know, the struggle with, try to do my stuff, but I'm not feeling too bad about it. If you don't watch my videos, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And, oh, yeah, sorry, in my recording I didn't put any more music, so it just freaked me out for a second, but there will be music. What you are watching right now, there's music. Anyway, threw me off. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. That'd be awesome. And I'm pretty much talking about, in case you missed it, that this year I was going to be really, really productive and get all these things done and change my life, change my situation, take on a bunch of projects and build new skills and, just, I want to become... Basically my thing, and I didn't ever mention this in the first video I did, my plan for this was, or what made me want to do this to begin with, is because I got tired of people asking me what I do for hobbies and things, and I would just, all I could think of was I watch Netflix or YouTube or, that kind of stuff, and all I could say was that I make YouTube videos, but I couldn't ever call myself a YouTuber or something. I don't have enough subscribers or anything to show for that. So I always felt like I didn't have anything to show for myself. And when I was in high school, I did art. And so that was my thing. I could always say I make art or whatever. I draw or something. And then in college, I stopped doing that. And I didn't have anything to show for myself except I go to college and I work. And most people, that's their life. And then after college, it's just they work. Or they have a family as well. And that's great. But for me, I always felt like I could do more and that I should be doing more. And it's hard to say that I have talents or anything that I'm gifted with, but I have a little bit more motivation for doing creative things than most people would have. And so regardless of, even if I don't have any talents, and a lot of people, I think maybe talent or gift is the wrong thing. They're the wrong words to use for a lot of people, because only very few are completely gifted and prodigies or whatever in any discipline. I guess that's a perfect word, is discipline. Most of these things are disciplines, art or music or anything. It's about practicing and training and getting better in that specific, I don't know, realm of life. And I want to have many disciplines. I want to be like a Renaissance woman, I guess. And that matters to me. And it doesn't matter to everybody, but it matters to me. And so this year, I wanted to build more of that and finally have something to show for myself, especially when I graduate from college, which I think is going to be next year in the fall. I didn't want to graduate and try to get a job and basically be one of those people that only did school and worked. I want to be able to say that I do all these other things that set me apart from the average person. And in high school, people talked about doing extracurricular activities because that would set you apart when you're trying to go to college and all these things. And I never did any other extracurricular activities. I did do art. And so that is sort of the mentality that I'm trying to have moving forward. Obviously not for getting into colleges, but just for life. Like, how is somebody going to meet me and see what I do on the side, the things that I do that aren't required for life? What does that say about me, and how does that make me different from somebody else? If I can show that I work harder and I have discipline in these other practices, then I think it'll just make me feel like more of a complete person. And that's not for everybody. And I don't think that means that somebody who doesn't do all these other things is not complete. I think everybody has to find their, thing that they have to do in life, or the things that they want to do. But for me, this is a part of it. And I basically wanted to work on a lot of things that I have wanted to do for years and have just been pushing off. I used to be a big procrastinator, and I struggled with discipline and motivation. So when 2020 was coming around, I really was just sick and tired of it. And I said, I'm going to finally do these things and work on them and get going. I'm tired of procrastinating everything in my life because I don't have much time. You could say I have a lot of time. I'm 22, but I don't know how much time I really have. And I want to fill my time with the things that I want to accomplish and the things I want to be working on. So that was the plan. And so anyway, if you're interested in any of that, go ahead and subscribe, because throughout this year, I'm updating on all of that. But I haven't made an update video in about 3 to 4 months. I was trying to do an update video every month, but then summer happened, and I always fall off the wagon a little bit in the summer. I always get a little bit slack on that. I don't know why, but I've been better this year about making videos. Usually in the summer, I pretty much make no videos, but I've been better about that. I just haven't updated because I started to slack on the things that I was doing, the working out. I kept up working out pretty well, but not to the degree that I wanted to do it. And then I slacked on painting, reading, all these things, because I don't know why, guys. I think laziness just took over me again a little bit, but it's all right. I'm trying to get back on it this week. Hold on, I think I hear somebody coming in the door. Give me a second. Okay, my dad literally just showed up again. He's always coming at the worst times when I'm trying to film these videos. But I think the video's almost done. Oh my god, guys, this is so difficult. But this is what happens when you live at home, which I'm grateful. I'm really grateful, because I couldn't live on my own right now. But it is hard to have a YouTube channel and try to do this stuff. Anyway, back onto the topic. Basically, I'm trying to get back to doing all these things. So I think a video next week or the week after will be about, I don't know, trying to get back on track. So look forward to that. If you care at all, subscribe and you'll see that. It's like a vlog, just documenting me trying to get it all together again, because I'm trying. And yeah, I don't really know much else to say. I just knew that I needed to say something about all this stuff in case anybody's keeping track. Yes, it is true. I have not been doing as well as I wanted to, but it's okay. I've got a new semester of school right now, and they're the harder classes of my major, so I knew going into this that it was possible that I would struggle to keep up, and that's okay. And I think anybody who wants to be, what is the word, productive and, change your life and all these things, it's good to, I don't know, be realistic about the possibilities of not being perfect. Like, you can't be perfect. I can't be perfect. We're not going to be perfect. And so it's good to know that. But, so I knew it would happen. But I think still don't give up. And I'm not going to give up. So it'll be fine. We're going to get it back together and everything's still going to work out. I'm not worried about that at all. I'm not a quitter. And I'm also going to talk about that in the vlog. I get a little bit heated about some things. So yes, subscribe, watch that video when it comes out. And other than that, the video's coming to an end. So I'm going to, I guess, sign off. You can just listen to the music a little bit. And I will talk to you later. Have a good day or night. And yeah, bye.